In this video, we are going to see how we can resolve this error that whenever you're trying to send a voice message directly from WhatsApp web, it shows you this error message that microphone is not found. You can't record a voice message because it looks like your computer doesn't have a microphone. Try connecting one. If you have one connected, try restarting your browser. So although it is providing you the basic guide that maybe your microphone is not properly connected, so just make sure of that you have properly connected. And then after that, you can try restarting the browser. But if it is unable to solve the problem, here's what you can do. First of all, just go to the settings area, make sure that your browser URL is visible. And behind that is this little settings option. Just you need to click there. First of all, we need to make sure that this option should not be toggled off. Just toggle this on and reset the permission if you want to. And then go to site settings. Make sure that this microphone option is set to allow. Now, if it is already set to allow, like in my case, what you can do is you can either set to ask by default. So in this case, next time when you restart WhatsApp web, it will automatically ask you to detect and configure the latest microphone that you want to link it to. So that's best. Or you can allow or disallow however you want after that. If still you're unable to detect this, let's just move here, to this section and click on reset permissions altogether. Just reset the permissions, and in the WhatsApp, when you come back to this browser, it will automatically show this message to reload this page to apply your updated settings to this site. Let's try this. Click on reload, and after that, just go to your area where you want to send the voice message. Click on the voice message, and this time it will show you this message to use the available microphone. You can simply configure your favorite microphone, whatever you want to connect, and let's set to allow while visiting the site. That's pretty much it. And after that, you should be able to send the voice messages easily directly from WhatsApp web. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on our channel, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.